Hi guys, welcome again to another wonderful video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to design this amazing shipping slash logistic website. Okay, I'll be showing you how to do that. Alright, so I'll be showing you how to do this amazing website you are seeing on the screen. Okay, you can see all of the pages. This is the home page. Okay, you can see this is the home page. If you click on this now, it takes to the logistic side. Okay, you can see all you have there, reliable UK and alright since 1973. You can see this amazing logistic website. You can see that. Can see this. Okay, you can see this. All right, so if you move away from here, you also see the services, the about us, and the contact us. Okay, you can see all of the pages have been designed for you. This is the services. Okay, you can see the services here. All right, you can see the services here. Then you can see the about us. Okay, you can see the about us here. Good, you can see the about us. Okay, so you can also see the contact us page. Contact us page, so you can see that. So now let me show you the tracking side. Let me show you the tracking side. Click on track. Alright, click on track. Good. So come here, just input the. Alright, so let me just put this. Then I'll click on track package. Good. You can see that. You can see the information. You can see this. Okay, it's good. Can you see this now? This is the destination. You can see where the package is. Alright, current location, and this is destination. Alright, this is the origin, sorry, where it is now, and the destination. Okay, you can see all of that information. Okay, good. So if you come down a bit, you will see other. You can drop comment there. Okay, you can also see, you can attach a picture. Okay, you can see other details. Okay, the total freight cost. All right, so you can see all of that, and that is it. Okay, that is it. You can share with friends. You can click on share now. You can share via email and other area you want to share with. Okay, so this is how amazing this particular shipping is. Right, how amazing this particular shipping is. And if you come, you can see where it says print shipping invoice. If you click on it to print the shipping invoice for you. All right, print shipping invoice for the shipping invoice. All right, you can see the shipping invoice here. Good. So you can see it's still loading. All right, so you can see amazing the shipping invoice is. You can see the shipping invoice, so which you can print and you are good to go. All right, let me just cancel all of this. Go. Let me go back. So now this is for the tracking side. Now let me show you the admin side too. If you come over to this side, this is the admin side. You can see the dashboard. You can see where it says create new shipment. You can see email service. You can see administration. You can see settings. All right. So if you come to create new shipment, that means you want to send a package. You can click on create new shipment. If you come to email service, if you click on email service. All right. You want to send email to your client. You put the client email there. You put hello. You put the subject, and you compose the message. All right. You compose the message. That's for the email service. You can see the administrator. You can see add manager. Okay, if you want to add somebody to help you manage the site, you can add it there. Then you have the settings. Okay, you can see the app settings. We come to app settings. Under this app settings, you can do some configuration, which is very, very important. First, you can put the website name, all right, the website title, the office address, you put it there. Okay, then the date it started, that's the date the company started, you can put it there. You can put a logo, all right, put a logo here. Then you can also put a favicon, that's under the admin. Then coming down to this preference, all right, you put your contact email there. All right, put your contact email there, put the website URL, put it there. Then you put that's for the preference. Then coming down to this other side, you set up your email. All right, so most of the time use SMTP. SMTP, put your email, your email there, your website name. Then this part that says port, put 465. Then yeah, your host is your website link. All right, your host, your website link. So like this part now, if you come over, let me go to my email, come to email account here. Let me show you. Do I have any email? All right, good. So let me just create one so I can show you. Now I'll just create one. I'll just call it info. Okay, then I'll just put in my all right, good. So I'll do that. Then I'll click on this. Good. All right, click on that. So now this is my, if I want to confirm my, click on manage, click on manage. Oh, sorry, let me go back, not here. Let me go back, not here. Okay, come to connect device. Good. If you connect device, you can see the outgoing server and incoming server. So this is my SMTP host. So I'll copy this one now. Then I'll come to where I have SMTP host. You can see it here. Then I'll paste that there. Okay, now the email, this is the email. Right, you can see that this is the email. Okay, which I will put here. Which I will also put here in terms of the server, the SMTP username. I will also put it here. All right, this one is showing TLS. Remove it and put SSL. All right, then you put the SMTP password. That is the email password. The email you created just now, the password, you put it there. Okay, that's all. Once you are done, click on save changes. Okay, once you are done, click on save changes. So that's basically how to set up the SMTP. Okay, that is for the admin side. So I'll be showing you how to design this from beginning to the end. And also, if you want to log into the admin, it's very, very simple. So just come to where you have the admin info. Okay, I will show you is in the installation guide, which I will show you just now. So okay, so let me just move ahead and show you how to do this. Okay, let me use my cPanel. First of all, if you don't have a domain name by hosting, you can reach out to me. I will show you how you can get a reliable one for your project. All right, a reliable one for your project. You can reach out to me. So what I will do now, I will just create a subdomain for this particular um, video. I'll just come here, go to domains. All right, good. Then click on come to domains. So I'll just click on create new video, create a new domain. So I'll just call it Pacific. Let me use this Pacific. So that is it. Right. So then I'll click on submit. I'll click on submit. Good. Click on submit. All right. So I've created a subdomain. All right. Before I continue, if you are coming across my channel for the first time, here's my YouTube channel. All right. Here's my YouTube channel. We do amazing stuff here. All right. We do amazing stuff in this my YouTube channel, ranging from we teach you how to learn, how you can earn, and how you can thrive online. So these are the basic things we do here. All right. So all you need to do is to make sure you smash that notification bell and also subscribe if you have not done so. Okay. So all you need to do, like I said, just subscribe and make sure you hit that notification bell so you always be notified whenever videos like this are posted. All right. We'll talk about how you can acquire digital skills, how you can make money online, and how you can also promote your business online. Right? So these are the things we do. So just make sure you subscribe, smash that notification bell, and whenever we do any video, you have any challenge, don't fail to drop your comment in the video, so we can always reach out to it and fix stuff for you. Okay, so now let's begin. So I've created my subdomain, which is this. So I'll go back to my cPanel again, go to my file manager. All right, go to my file manager. Good, this is it. All right, so I'll go to my subdomain I just created, which is this Pacific. Where are you? This is the Pacific. So I'll upload the file here. Click on upload. All right, so I will show you how you can get the file. So just hold on. All right, so I'm uploading the file. So I'll just wait for the file to upload. So while the file is uploading, let me create my database. Come to your cPanel again. Type in database wizard. All right, type in database wizard. So good. So just come here. Just type it. Pass. Let me just say pass BB. Then click on next step. All right, good. So we also come here, just give the same name. Then, all right, so it's very, very easy. Just follow me while we do it together. I'll paste it here, also paste it here. All right, click on create user. All right, good. So the user has been created. So just come here. Let me check if the file is, so it's still uploading. Can you see that? So wait for the file to upload. So once it is done, we can begin the process from there. So let's just hold on a bit. Make sure your network is good when you are uploading. All right, just make sure your network is good. So that's the reason why you can see mine is moving fast, because the network is good. All right, you can see it is done uploading, so it's 100% complete. So just click on this, go back. So you will see the file here. All right, this is the file. So right click on the file and extract, then extract file. Okay, see the extracting. So you see, hold on a bit. Good. So just reload it. All right, so just come here. This is the file here. All right, so select all, click on select all, then click on move. Okay, I'll move it to my subdomain I just created as it there. Then I'll click on move file. All right, good. So you can see all the files here now. All right, so now I need to connect my database. I need to connect my database. So I will just come to env, then edit, then edit. All right, good. So what I will do is, remember my subdomain which I created is my subdomain. I will copy this, then come here, remove this and paste it there. All right, good. So this is the database name, username and password. So I will come here. All right, I'll just copy it because I use the same name for all of them. So I'll just paste it there. All right, paste, paste, and paste. All right, good. So that's all. So just save. Okay, just save. I think that's all. Click on save here. Good. All right, so now I'll just come back here again, finish up, click on all privileges and click on next step. All right, so that is it. We are done connecting the database. So what I will need to do now is to upload the database file. So come here, come to PHP. You can see the PHP admin, click on it. All right, good. Click on that. So, okay, so this is my database I just created. So you can see there. Then I'll click on import. All right, click on import. For those of you who is just getting this, your database is here. You can see it inside your SQL file. You can see it there. If you open it, you can download it. You can download it to your system. This is the database. Download it and upload it here. Okay, so I'll just upload mine. Right, so that's my database. I'll just click on, once you choose your file there, just click on import. Good. So click on import. It will be imported very fast. No stress. Very, very fast. Okay, so now the file has been imported. So come back here. If you come to your file manager, let me go back here. You will see what is called documentation. You can see it here, documentation. Right click on it and edit. I click on it and edit. Okay, so let me close this. Okay, good. So right click on it and edit. So you can see the instruction here. You can see all the instruction. All right, you can see all the instruction here. Everything is contained here. Okay, everything is contained here. All right, everything is contained here. So you can see, so the admin link, can you see it now? This is the admin link. You can see it there. So your URL, if it .com, like my own, I'm using subdomain. So this is my subdomain. If I want to check what I've done, I'll copy this, open a new tab, paste it there. Let's see what we have done. All right, let's see what we have done. Good. Can you see it's loading? Very fast. Can you see what we have done so far? Okay. Now, if I want to log into the admin, I'll put forward slash, come here. You can see it here. Admin login / validate admin. Copy this. Come here, forward slash, paste it there. This becomes the admin. So I'll copy the whole of this, open a new tab, then I'll press enter. Okay, so that is the admin. Why this is the front end. Okay, this is the front end. This is the admin. Still loading. Now, for you to get the admin information, come back here. The file I just uploaded, you can see admins there. Right click on it. Right click on it and right click on it, then edit. Okay, you can edit this username. So see, this is the username. This admin. So you can change it from this to, I just change it to this. Then remember to put your your domain there. So in this case now I'm using this, so I'll just copy this. I'll copy this and come here and paste it. Okay, so as for these other ones here, so just make sure it's encrypt. So change this one to, okay, then select the option. If encrypt is not working for you, just go down and select this password hash. All right, select this one. If encrypt, if this encrypt is not working for you, if it is not working for you, come down to where you have this password hash. So put it there, then just go down and click on go. Right, that's all. That's all. So let me copy this. Sorry, let me copy this. All right, let me copy this and come here. I'll paste it. Then I'll paste the other one I just good. So I'll click on All right, very easy, very easy. I'm already in. So this is how to install this file and edit. Now, if you are also installing is not working for you, make sure your PHP version is either 8.1 and above. So for you to do that, come to your cPanel again. Let me show you that. Come to select PHP. You can see there select PHP. All right, good. Select PHP. All right, still loading. Good. So come here. You can see the subdomain I just created. Where are you? This is subdomain. Okay. So it's under multi PHP manager. So what you need to do is to come over to multi PHP manager. You can also come here. Just search for multi PHP manager. Okay. All right, good. So I'll come here. This is it. Select it. You can see it's already showing 8.1. So if your one is not showing 8.1, come here, select the the domain or the subdomain. Then come to PHP version here and select 8.1. You can see 8.1 here. All right, you can see 8.1, you can see 8.2. So it works from 8.1 upward, right? From 8.1 upward. So you can select 8.1 here or 8.2, but make sure it's from 8.1 upward. So like my own is already in 8.1. That's why you can see everything is working. All right, so this is how to install this particular file and edit. So like I showed you before, every other editing you want to do, you can do it from there. Now, you can also add a live chat. If you want to add a live chat, go to Smart. If anyone you want to use, you can come to SmartSub. All right, come to SmartSub and create an account there. All right, come to SmartSub. Okay, create an account with the email you just created. All right, this is the sign up. So once you sign up, a code will be given to you. Copy that code, come to your file manager. All right, come to your file manager here. All right, come to your file manager. Come to resources. All right, come to views. Come to layout. Come to layout, then open any of all of this file, be open them one after the other and paste the code at the footer end. So click on edit. All right, click on edit now. Okay, good. So copy the code. Then you can see before this body, you can paste the code you have copied from SmartSub and paste it there. So paste it in all of this item you have here. Open them one after the other and paste it there. The live chat will be activated on your website. Okay, that is how easy it is to install this file, configure and edit. You can see that in space of less than 30 minutes to 1 hour, I've done this job and I can deliver to my client. So all of this right up you can see here, you can edit them. Come to your PHP admin. You can come to settings here. Either you do it from here or you do it from your admin end. Okay, let me come here. Come to settings. Good. Come to app settings. All right, come to your settings from the admin. Good. You can see the right up here. If I change this one now, all right, let me change this to Pacific. Okay, let me also change one to Pacific. Welcome to Pacific, and I come down here and I update. Okay, I update. Can you see that it has changed? So let me also come here, refresh this. Right? Can you see it has changed? So that's how easy it is for you to edit this particular file. Okay, so if you want access to this, all you need to do to reach out to me via the number showing below this video. There is the description there. Just reach out to me and you have access to this particular template. Okay, have access to the particular template. So if you enjoy this video, all you need to do is to like and smash that notification bell. Subscribe if you have not done so. And if you have any challenge, reach out to me via the comment section or send me a message on WhatsApp and I'll be glad to help you fix it. Thank you guys for watching and see you in my next video.